So at the Energy Out West conference, somebody showed some slides about what they do when to make ASHRAE fans work when they have a really shallow wall or ceiling cavity and it's not deep enough for the whole fan to fit inside of. I thought it was kind of cool. Here's a quick sketch just to show how it might work. Maybe it's something that would work for you. So basically, on a mobile home roof or whatever, where you only have a shallow cavity, they would build a box so that the fan could be housed, partly in the cavity, partly out of the cavity. So if the cavity here was only 3.5 inches deep, then you could build this box that would be, another 4 inches or whatever you need, so it'll house the whole fan. They would cut the opening in the ceiling longer than the width of the fan, so they'd have room to actually work on the vent, so you could put the fan here and connect the vent up in here. So, and then, yeah, you just connect that vent in and then slip the fan up inside the box. And then I thought this was really cool. They were just using some melamine, like 1/8 inch melamine or whatever, and they would just put it on the outside of the box, and then they just used some corner bead to trim it out, and it looked really nice and clean when they were done. So if that's something that might help, give it a try.